I'm Jovin from Tile424. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to earn some passive income by doing simple survey from different earning apps. You know guys, you can make some money like this, as you can see. Like this. If you don't know guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make some passive income by using Geopoll app. If you don't have a Geopoll app, you can create an account by clicking the link on the description. I put the link to sign up on Geopoll. So you will learn how to create a Geopoll account. Then you will learn different ways to make money on Geopoll. And the last, you will learn how to withdraw the money you earned on Geopoll directly to your bank account or your mobile money. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So once you downloaded the application using the link I sent it on the description of this video, you will be in this place. So the first step, you will put your mobile number. So over here I will put my mobile number so as I can sign up or log in. Then I will click on let's go. So once you put your phone number, you need to choose your password. So you will put your password right here. So I'm going to put my password so as I can get started. So you will choose your home password and then you put it over here. After that, click login. So now I'm successfully create account on Geopoll and log in on Geopoll. So if this is the interface of Geopoll hub. So if you have a task, the task will appear here. So now the first step of signing up on Geopoll is already completed. So the second step will be on how you can make money on Geopoll. The first ways of make money on Geopoll is doing some simple survey. Every time you log in on Geopoll hub, you will find some of tasks in the task section. Then you will need to answer those simple survey and earn some money. As you can see over here in my earning history, I already doing some of survey and I earned some of decent money. As you can see, one of the survey I just seen profiling survey app, and then I got 220 Tanzania shillings. And the second survey was this survey Tanzania hub, and I got 400 plus. So this is the first step to make money on Geopoll. And another ways to make money on Geopoll is through referring your friend. So if you refer a friend on Geopoll, your friend will earn some decent money. Same to you, you will be able to earn some of decent money. So how you will invite your friend? You will click below of this Geopoll hub. You will see the button over here. Then there is two options invite friend. The first step is using code. You can copy this code and then share with your friend and family so as they can use it to join on Geopoll. So once they join on Geopoll using your code, you will get some money. Another step is sharing the link. So you will scroll down and see the area written share a code. So you click on share a code, then you will copy the link and share to your friend. For instance, I will share with my friend over here. So once my friend downloaded this application, I will get some money. So guys, this is the ways to make money on Geopoll. Addition of that, apart from making money on Geopoll, you can use Geopoll app to create your polls. For instance, you want to learn survey and see the response of the people. So Geopoll gives you a chance to create your own polls. And the process of creating those polls is quite simple. As you can see here, I created my poll, and some of the members of this app already created different polls over here. So you can create polls and get some response from the Geopoll community. And this is a community polls created by Geopoll community, and you can see those polls. I've got a response sent to me. I can share my response. Over here. So if you need to do survey over here, you can use Geopoll community to help you poll, to vote depending on your requirement and the purpose of doing a poll. And this is the additional method of having a Geopoll app. Now we already see how to keep Geopoll account, ways to make money on Geopoll, and the additional point, which is to use Geopoll to learn a poll or survey. Now the question is, how can I withdraw my money from Geopoll? The process of redeeming your money from Geopoll is quite simple. You will go in your application and click the $sign, this one in the bottom of this app. After that, you will click on redeem. So once you click on redeem, your earning will be transferred to your mobile money. Then you can use those money as you wish. So guys, this is how you can make money on Geopoll. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so as you can get different videos that I will upload regarding how to make money online. And don't forget to join my community on Facebook and Telegram. The link is on description. And don't forget to visit my website www.talkdigitally.com. From there you'll get the different ways to make money online. Guys, thank you for watching. Let us meet on the next video. Bye.